Hello everybody, it's the Raffle for the Kirk shift note purple 20 spot. So you look the numbers and the name. So the number you choose, you have the 20 ticket. It's the can, so I put all ticket in the can, and remember the last number draw, it's the winner. Put all number, sorry, on the can. So all ticket on the can, and we start the raffle. So number 20, no luck. Number 12, no luck. Number 13, no luck. Number 9, number 14, so 5 draw right now. Number 1, sorry. Number 7, number 6, number 2, number 10, 10 number draw right now. So continue. Number 19, sorry. Number 3, sorry. Number 4, sorry. Number 8, sorry. Number 17, sorry. So 15 right now. Number 15, number 11, number 5. So right now only 2 tickets in the can. Number 18, sorry, and the winner is number 16. So 16 is the winner, and the 19 other tickets are on the table. So congratulations, number 16. Send me email for shipping price. Thank you.